Dear chess players, greetings from Openingmaster, the world's biggest human chess database. Today, I am going to talk about the Sicilian Defense. The Sicilian Defense is a chess opening played by Black, characterized by the move c5. It is the most popular and best-scoring response to White's first move e4. The Sicilian is a sharp and dynamic opening that often leads to complex, unbalanced positions where both sides have chances to win. The Sicilian Defense gets its name from the island of Sicily, where the opening was first recorded in the late 15th century. It was later developed and popularized by chess players in Italy and Spain, and eventually became a standard choice for Black at all levels of chess. One of the main ideas behind the Sicilian Defense is to challenge White's control of the center by establishing a pawn on d5. This pawn, supported by the bishop on c8 and the knight on f6, can become a powerful central outpost for Black. In addition, the Sicilian Defense allows Black to develop the bishop on c8 to the more active diagonal a6f1, which can be very strong if White allows it.
Another important idea in the Sicilian Defense is the potential to launch a quick counterattack on the queenside. By advancing the pawns on a6 and b5, Black can put pressure on White's pawn on a2 and potentially gain space and control on the queenside. This can be particularly effective if White is already committed to attacking on the kingside, as Black can shift the focus of the game to the other side of the board and catch White off guard. One of the most common variations of the Sicilian Defense is the open Sicilian, which arises after the moves e4 and c5 to knight to f3. In this variation, White often attacks on the king side with the pawn push f4, while Black counterattacks on the queen side with the pawn advance b5. This can lead to highly tactical and complex positions where both sides have to be careful not to overlook any threats.
A popular variation of the Sicilian Defense is the closed Sicilian, which arises after the moves e4 and c5 and knight to c3. This move order aims to control the center and prevent Black from playing the Sicilian Defense with the moves d6 and e5. It also allows White to develop the knight to a strong central square on d4 and puts pressure on Black's pawn on c5. The closed Sicilian is a solid and flexible opening that can lead to a variety of different positions. It is often used by players who prefer a positional approach to the game, as it allows White to establish a strong center and control the center of the board. The Encyclopedia of Chess Openings classifies the Sicilian Defense under the codes B20 through B99, giving it more codes than any other opening. Thank you for watching a short video about Sicilian chess opening. Download all openings and 9.2 million human chess games at www.openingmaster.com.